Jenkins Stump grinder. Run it with my switches here. Which is nice because then you can just stay still with the machine. You can see this is a pretty good size stump here. Running it on my 325 John Deere. Also run it standard flow on my 333. Just a great. So it's got hydraulics to raise, lift, everything. I'm going to back up here a little bit. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just hit my park button and then go back to my switches. Thing that I do, but what I do use it for is as a add-on service if I'm already out somewhere. So like currently I'm doing some grade up to this building here, brought in a bunch of dirt, and he just has a few stumps, and so I usually just add it on for, you know, $200 for a big stump like this one, you know, maybe 50 or $100 for small stumps, so you can easily tack on some extra revenue if you're already out and about. So I'm not generally going to bring a whole machine and my stump grinder out just for one stump. I mean, my minimum's $600, so usually it's an add-on service. But so as you can see, this is a pretty good size stump that was here, and it just chews it up. It's back and forth. Wearing on your pins on your machine and stuff because it's all hydraulically controlled with the buttons, which is really, really nice. Also, it's good if you're in a yard that you're trying not to tear up the yard. It allows you to just sit still with your machine and not grind into the ground with your machine. This allows you to go